So this beautiful 1.01 acres land near Tucson is a perfect place for your little small ranches, manufactured, modular RV or single family home. It's very versatile. So from a big picture, this property is in the southern side of the Arizona, and then it is 26.5 miles to Tucson, a 1 hour and a half drive from Phoenix to this beautiful land, RV land, mobile home land. As you can see, this is the set property. So it's a rectangular shape, and then it's on this this road. So let me give you a little bit road trip for this property. So if we zoom in, there has street views. You can pretty much see this property has a pretty good paved road access. So you can see the neighbors here. Many of them, they have mobile home on site or single family home. So this is the property. So there has both sides do have neighbors. You can sort of see what kind of houses they have. And you will have access to the power line. I see power line is on this side. You could easily hook up the power by paying a reasonable cost here. So it looks like it's a more established neighborhood. Again, there is no HOA. You can see this area. Most of the house look like that. There has some empty lot. Someone gets some fence there. And the lot is on this area. Let's drive back. Pretend we're driving. Yeah, that's this lot. So you have a lot of potential for this property. You will have beautiful mountain views in this area. And the lot is pretty leveled. So this town is called Marana. So again, it's a very fun area to go because there has so many different outdoor activities waiting for you, especially in the winter time. The weather is great. So the annual property tax is $321. And then again, there is no homeowner association. So the zoning is called suburban homestead. Basically, is a zone for rural residential. So the general elevation is a little bit over 2,000 feet. And then for the utilities, for the water, you need to draw your own private well. And sewer, you will need to install a septic tank. Again, the power is on, I believe it's on this side of, you can tell it's somewhere pretty close. There might have some on these nearby neighbors here. So we, just so you know, we brought this property on scene. So we encourage you to visit this property on site. Okay, just during the weekend, and you can schedule a trip. Let's double check here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the power pool is here. They have one. You can go solar if you want to. So again, if you need more information, go to our website, cheaplandfarm.com, and then you can see all the free FAQ, frequent asked questions, and you can using our advanced search bar to search by county, city, and plug in all those filters, status for sale, and to find the properties you want to visit and you're interested in buying. So call us at 437-218-70880 or email info@cheaplandfarm.com. You can order any of our property online. And then for most of the properties, we do offer seller financing. So the payment, monthly payments will pretty affordable. So again, this is Bay. I'm the founder of cheaplandfarm.com. Thank you so much for watching.